Welcome back, folks. Um, in continuation, like what we said earlier about the DC output and input. So, this is the modem which we want to replace. This is the satellite modem, by the way. So, stand by as I connect it shortly. And now, to test the power coming from your cable pin, this is how you do it. With your multimeter, you check with the pins, the positive and negative in and negative by side. Then you'll be able to check and measure the power coming or the power that your cable is giving directly. What do you see? 24.18 volts, which tells you your power is active, your power supply is active. This is an extra tip in case you're troubleshooting your power appliances. Take note. So in the next class, we'll be talking about fiber optics. Stay tuned.